Hello, so I got a comment on my last video, and so this is going to be the 2.6 version, and next I'm going to be showing you the 2.5 and 2.4, 2.3, those versions, but the old data store. So, in shop, there's going to be shop menu skinless, and basically, in this new data store update, each skin now has its own frames, and this is accurate like how Piggy does it. So let's just use memory for example, and we are going to insert a local script inside of memory. And first, let's start off with our variables. So local players equals game get service players. So this is just players. Local badge service equals game. So we're getting a service, get service, badge service. Local player equals players dot local player. And local badge ID. So this is going to be the badge ID equals, so I'm just going to leave this as 000, but what you can go ahead and do is just go to home, and so here is a badge for an example. I'm just going to go to this game. So this would be the badge ID, so just copy your badge ID like so. Alright, and now we're actually going to do script. So, local function check badge ownership. Local success has badge equals pcall. Function, and let's go ahead and finish this function right here. Return badge service. User has badge async. Player dot user ID badge ID end. And now if success and has badge, then script dot parent, so we're getting the parent, dot visible equals true. Let me just fix that. Else script script dot parent dot visible equals false. Check badge ownership. And I have a error. Hold on. Yeah, I think I wrote this wrong. I'm just gonna pause the video real quick. Okay, yeah, I did a little error there. We're all good. So, now what this is gonna do, just gonna check if you have the badge ID. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's gonna call it. Check it. If it succeeds and they have the badge, script.parent.visible equals true. Or else, if they don't have it, then script.parent.visible equals false. End. Check badge ownership. Hello, so now we are going into the old 2.5, since people actually still use this, they just haven't updated the games to 2.6, which I understand. So, if we go into Starter GUI, of course, we're just going to go to the shop. So it's shop menu. And inside of data store, this is, layout order, 11, all of that. We're not going to be editing the data store script. Instead, we're going to be adding a script into template. And basically what this script is going to do is it's going to check if it's a specific skin. And if it is a specific skin, and we can detect the skin by looking at the model name over here. And if it is, the model name is Piggy, then it will not be visible. But it will be visible if you own the badge. So that's basically the script that we are going to be making today. So insert a local script, and we are going to name this script. We'll just call it badge checker. And so let's go ahead and start with our variables. So first, let's go ahead and get badge service. So local badge service equals game. I did that wrong. Equals game. Get service. Badge service. Local players equals game. Get service. Players. So we're just gonna get the players, which is this over here. Local player equals players. Equals players dot local player. Local badge ID. So this is the badge ID, and if you knew from last time, you would just go over here. You would go to your home, and then you would go to your badge. So let's go to pressure, for example. To win the game, you would get your badge ID, and then you could just go ahead and put your badge ID right there. Local frame equals script dot parent. So the frame is just this template, your skin frame. If frame dot model name, so we're getting model name, dot text equals memory, then frame dot visible equals false. Else local success has badge equals pcall function pcall function return badge service user has badge async player dot user ID badge ID end. If I accidentally spelled this wrong. If success and has badge, then frame dot visible equals true. Else frame dot visible equals false. And that will be your script. So obviously your model name text is basically your badge skin. So I'll just put this badge skin. That will be your badge skin. And so if you join the game, then it will check if you own this badge. If so, then it will be visible, or else it will be false. And yeah. So that is going to be the end of today's video. If you want more pacifist kit tutorials, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll try and make a tutorial for it. I want to make more scripting tutorials, since I think that will actually help people learn how to script, rather than just paste bin, put it in the thing, like I did with that Morph GUI tutorial, which is still a good tutorial. So I'm going to leave a link to that in maybe the description. And yeah, goodbye.